Hi, I'm Jeremy Bumble, and this is my father. He was the greatest scientist I knew, and when he died, I made him a promise. I promised I'd teach the world everything that he taught me. Why? Because science is everything! That's nice. Oh, hello. When I was young, my father used to say that I'd run around touching everything with my sticky little fingers. Nothing's changed then. But what has changed is the way I touch them. I never even used to think about it, but everything I placed my hands on was actually made of matter. But what is this mysterious stuff? Let me explain. Matter's everything that you can hit with your fist. This is matter, and so is this. But what makes it all so hard and clumped together? Well, my friend, that would be mass. And what gives all these particles mass, I hear you say? Well, that'll be the Higgs boson. And I'll let this scientist explain.
So the problem is, how do you give fundamental particles mass when they're not made of anything? And the solution was that you fill the whole universe with this field, this quantum field, and it's how they stick to that field and interact with it that gives them mass. That's what mass is. And then you want to know, is that field really there? And the way to find that out is to hit it really hard, which is what we do at the Large Hadron Collider at CERN. And if you hit it hard enough, you make a little ripple in it, and those ripples are the Higgs boson.
So, the beginning of the universe was a lot like this party. It got off with a bang, but then all the particles started flying around at the speed of light, ignoring each other, much like these cats. The Higgs boson, also known as the God particle, is a lot like me. And this fine bottle of European wine will help me demonstrate this. Only the best for my particles. The Higgs boson interacts with the particles, giving them the necessary mass they need to clump together. So, which one of you girls likes physics? Turning these particles into particles.
Thanks, Higgs boson.
No problem, just doing my job. And thanks to the Higgs boson, I can do this. Nice. Groovy. So, thanks mass, and thanks Higgs boson. Go science! Up, up and away! The early solar system was a lot like my first driving lesson. Extremely dangerous and full of collisions. Who knew a dual carriageway was only one way? Not me. As it does now, the sun sat at the centre of our solar system.